Hello and welcome back to RPA Automation, your go-to channel for everything related to robotic process automation. In today's video, we will explore OCR in Automation Anywhere, which helps to extract text from images, PDFs, or other graphical elements. Let's understand how the OCR action work and see some live examples. Before we jump into the practical part, let's understand what OCR stands for. OCR. OCR is a optical character recognition. It's technology that allows software to extract text from images, scan documents, and non-screen elements. In Automation Anywhere, the OCR package offers various ways to extract text using actions like capture window, capture area, capture image by path, and last one is capture image by URL. So let's explore each of these options step by step. The first action is capture window. This is very useful when you want to extract all text from an open application or window like a PDF or browser. Then we are going to see one live example using capture window action. So let's drag and drop action here in the workspace. Give our application, browser or application where you want to extract something. That window or that application name you want to give here, and create one output variable for saving our output, and take one message box to see last result, what is extracting properly or not. Give our output variable in the message box. So this is our output variable, and save our code, and we are going to run our action capture window uh, to see how OCR capturing all text or images which is present inside of browser or any open application. So you can see here bot is open our given browser, and you can see bot is extracted all text which is present inside of this window. So it is like it is working like a Xerox machine, which is information available inside of this window. Those information at this section is capturing. So all you need to do the specify window title for this window. This method captures everything within the visible area of the specific window. So you have seen or you have explored this action. So let's look at capture area action. This action extracts text from a specific region on the screen. It's perfect for situations where only part of the content is relevant, like an invoices, total amount, or a specific data field. So this action, next action is our capture area. You can see here capture area. So this action is very useful when you want to extract a specific information from invoices or window. For that we can use this action. So let's try to explore this action. Give our browser or open application name, and I'm going to give same output variable str output, and let's try to run. So first action I'm going to hide. Yes. Okay, capture area. So I'm going to capture only these things. So let's drag which things you want to extract or capture, and simply click on write. Okay, and what is recorded this session and is captured all our area, and I have given your output variable also, and I'm going to hide first actions because we have explored this action. Let's save and try to run our bot. So this action is very simple and very useful also. So let's try to run and check our output variable. This action gives you a greater control over what content you want to extract. So you can see what is open our right window. So you can see in the last output variable, you can see everything is what is extracted, everything is present in that window. Okay. This OCR, edit, task, bot games is this also this information also is extracted in the previous our actions, and this uh, if you use this action, so for this action you can see only specific output. So this is I think this actions is very useful for you if you want to extract specific text from images or PDFs. Okay, so let's try to explore third one. So third action is capture image by path. So this option extract text from an image stored on your local machine. It's especially useful if you need to process scan document or a screenshot. Okay, so let's try to explore this action and let's hide our previous action. Capture image by path. All you need is the file path of the image. Once provided, the bot will scan the image and extract any readable text. So I'm going to use path here from desktop file. Here you can see my file is present. So this path I'm going to give here and give our output variable, and let's try to run our bot. Save and run. So this action allows you to extract text from image using file path. For this action, you need to give our file path. So you can see uh, using this action also we are able to extract exactly which output you want. So this action is very easy and very important also. So all you need is the file path of the image. Once provided, the bot will scan the image and extract any readable data and save it into our output variable. And the last one, our action is capture image by URL. So finally, let's explore this action. And this section allows you to extract text from an image posted online by simply providing its URL. So we are going to explore this action. Let's hide previous action, and I am going to use this PNG's URL. So copy and give here our URL, image URL. Okay. And give our output variable, save, and let's try to run. What is opening our image using URL or not. So this action is very easy and important why we want to extract image hosted online by simply providing its URL. Okay. Okay. Uh, we have not given a required extension. So it's need extension like .png, image like that. So let's resolve our exception. Let's try to find out our exception and let's try to resolve our exception because we this exception is occur because we have not provided here right URL because this URL want to extension like .png, so we have not provided exact URL. So let's copy our this URL and try to paste here. So I have already pasted here URL and let's try to run our bot. So for using this action, we need to provide exact URL and that URL extension need to .png. Then only bot will able to run our this action. So you can see bot is able to run or extracted properly our output data. So now that we have covered the four OCR actions in automation anywhere, so let's quickly summarize. The capture window is we can use capture window for extract trace from an open application or window, but it is extracted all data which is bot is able to see in that window or any open application. It is not able to capture any specific data, right? So for that we can use capture area action. If you want to capture any specific data which is present inside of any upper, lower, right and left side, so just drag your area and click on right button, then bot is able to extract text from a specific region of the screen. Then third one is capture image by path. So using this action, you must have your image path which is available inside of your file explorer, any document. So this path is need to available for you. This action is extract text from an image and store on your computer. Then last one is extract text from capture image by URL. So this action is you can use for extract text from image hosted online using URLs. If you have not any a desktop file path or any file path, if you have not available, that time we can use URL directly. So using URL also you can capture data which is present in the image or your document. So first step or tip is use for extract proper or any accurate data. So here I am going to told you any tips. uh, so if you follow these tips, so you can able to extract a specific data or accurate data. So tip one is use a high resolution image or better extraction. So and tip two is test your OCR process with different front style and sizes to ensure accuracy. And tip three is when working with PDFs or screens to improve readability or for OCR extraction. So that's it for today's video and on OCR in automation anywhere. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to RP Automation for more videos on automation and RPA based practices. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. So thank you guys.